Hey guys, Joshua here from Gander Flight. Today I'm going to be doing a review and demonstration on the Takstar SGC-598 and an optional dead cat that you can purchase for it. As a new YouTuber, I can't justify spending a lot of money on gear, so I'm starting out and filming on my iPhone and wanted to increase the quality of my audio. And there's a ton of reviews out there on here. But I wanted to show you a review of the microphone outside on a windy day and the difference between the microphone as it comes and also adding a dead cat windscreen to it. So join me as we go through the different modes and with and without the dead cat. So to use this microphone with my iPhone, I did have to buy an adapter. I'll put a link to that in the description box below. But the Takstar goes into this adapter, and then this adapter goes into a 3.5 millimeter to lightning jack to go into my iPhone 7. Alright, so as a basis, this is the native audio input microphone from the iPhone 7 in a life-proof case with the lightning jack port door flipped open. It's windy outside, and this is just what it sounds like inside the case on a windy day. I'm about arm's length away from the camera. So this Takstar microphone on-off button with a power indicator light, which is nice. Runs off of a AA battery, and I'm using a fully charged brand new Amazon Basics rechargeable battery. It's got a 10 decibel boost switch, and then an ambient noise bass cutoff. Alright guys, so this is the Takstar out of the box, foam windscreen installed. We've got decibel boost is off, low cut is off. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now I'm going to turn on the decibel boost. Decibel boost is on, low cut is off. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now I'm going to turn decibel boost off, low cut on. So this is low cut on, decibel boost off, foam windscreen only. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now I'm going to keep low cut on and turn decibel boost on, foam windscreen. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. So now we're going to take the dead cat, add it on top of the foam windscreen, and go through those settings again and see what the audio sounds like. Okay, now I've got the dead cat installed. This is decibel boost off, low cut off. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now we've got decibel boost on, low cut off with the dead cat. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now we're going to switch to decibel boost off, low cut on. So this is low cut on, decibel boost off. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Now we're going to leave low cut on, add the decibel boost. So this is a decibel boost on, low cut on with the dead cat windscreen. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. And now go back to decibel boost off, low cut off with the dead cat. This is the setting that I've been using the most often, and I think it is the most universal and is working well for me. So if you're just starting out creating YouTube videos or want to add better quality to your home videos, definitely check out this Takstar, and also consider adding the dead cat windscreen if you're going to be filming outside at all. It's a pretty windy day here, and I think that the dead cat really adds a lot to dampen the crosswind sound. You can still hear that it's there, and you want to be able to hear some of the ambient noise to give you context. But if you want pure dead sound, go ahead and do voiceovers in a sound studio. I think you can hear me clearly enough. You can tell the wind is definitely blowing, but it gives you pretty darn clear audio for the price point. Just starting out, you don't want to invest a whole lot of money into equipment, and I think this is an awesome budget option to get into it. I've got the Takstar mic with the dead cat, and then I needed 2 adapters to get into my iPhone 7, the 3.5 millimeter to lightning, and then the connector that goes from the microphone to the 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Go ahead and give me a comment below if you've added the dead cat to your Takstar, or if you're going to. Go ahead and also check out the description below for a link to the one that I'm using. Excuse me. And share with someone else who's starting out and wants to add better quality audio to their videos. Until next time, I'm Joshua from Gander Flight. Take care.